Hi sir, this is Aradhya from Bengaluru, Karnataka. Today I will tell some shlokas. First I will start with Ganapati shloka. Shuklam Baradaram Vishnum Shashivarnam Chaturbhujam Prasannavadanam Jahet Sarva Vignopashantehe Vakratunda Mahakaya Koti Surya Samaprabha Nirvignam Kuru Me Deva Sarvakareshu Sarvada. Next Guru Shloka. Guru Brahma Guru Vishnu Guru Devo Maheshwaraha Guru Sakshat Parabrahma Tasmai Shri Gurave Namaha. Next Mahalakshmi Shloka. Namastestu Mahamaye Shri Pite Surapujite Shankar Chakra Gada Haste Mahalakshmi Namostute. Namastestu Garudarude Kola Surabhayankari Sarva Papa Hare Devi Mahalakshmi Namostute. Sarvagni Sarvavarade Sarvadushta Bhayankari Sarva Dukkha Hare Devi Mahalakshmi Namostute. Siddhi Buddhi Prade Devi Bhakti Mukti Pradayini Mantra Murte Sada Devi Mahalakshmi Namostute. Next Rama Shloka. Ramaya Ramabhadraya Ramachandraya Vedase Raghunataya Nataya Sitapataye Namo Namaha. Next Devi Shloka. Sarvamangala Mangalye Shive Sarvartha Sadhike Trayambake Devi Gauri Narayani Namostute. Next Saraswati Shloka. Saraswati Namastubhyam Varade Kamarupini Vidyarambham Karishyami Siddhirбhavatu Me Sada. Next Shiva Shloka. Anvikam Bhuvanam Yasya Vachakam Sarvavadnayam Aharyam Chandra Taradmi Tam Bande Satvi